Hello everyone, my name is Himanshu and welcome to my channel The English Planet. Today in this video we're going to learn the word nepotism. Nepotism is a noun and the pronunciation of this word is same in British and American both. The meaning of this word is the act of favoring and supporting the ones in the family, relatives and friends using own power and influence unfairly. Now let's look at some examples to understand the meaning better. So the first sentence is, we don't follow nepotism in our family. It means that they do not support only their family, they also support the people from outside. They give equal chances to outsiders as well. The second sentence is, nepotism is common in film industry because there is no genuine appreciation for an outsider. It means the people who are already working in the industry, they support only their next generation and not the people unknown and not the people who come from outside. Now the third sentence is, I never support nepotism because it blocks new talent. It means the person believes in supporting and helping others and new talents as well, and not only the people who are already working in the organization for a long time. I hope you understand. Now the fourth sentence is, he was accused of nepotism. It means that people believe him to be a nepotistic person and people blame him to be partial and biased. I hope you understand. Now the fifth and the last sentence is, there is no place for nepotism in our organization. It means the organization doesn't treat the people who are from outside unfairly. So the organization works fairly for the people. It is not unbiased. It gives equal promotion and chances to others as well. So these were the examples of nepotism as a noun. Now we have learned it. Now we're going to learn how we can use this word nepotism as an adjective, that is nepotistic. Now, so the first sentence is, they are nepotistic when it comes to new opportunity. It means that whenever there is a new opportunity, these people provide these opportunities, these new chances to only the people who they know or from their own family. That's it. They do not give the chances to the people outside. Now, the second sentence is, was he accused of being nepotistic? It means like the person is asking, do people think that he is like nepotistic, a partial person, a biased person? This is what it means. Now, the third and the last sentence is, he works under a nepotistic boss. It means that his boss is very mean person, he is biased, he is partial, and he only gives promotions and new opportunities and chances in the organization to only the people who are connected to him or the people in his family, relatives and friend circle. So these were the uses of nepotism as a noun and as an adjective also. I hope you understand this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.